Hey guys, my name is Kat. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Monitech light engine. So the problem with the original Allen Bradley 550 bulb is that it was getting so hot it was melting the plastic around it. We solved that problem by making a case that is made entirely out of aluminum. So it has a longer life and it is creating light more effectively. Standard bulbs aren't bright enough, so we had to design an LED that is long-lasting and is still within the Allen Bradley specs. It has to dissipate heat and it has to provide a brighter light, of course. This is not the standard LED, this is the fiber optic light engine. Now I'm going to show you how to install the light engine. You can take out the old LED and remove this portion here. So from there you can just screw it in. And plug in your fiber optic. The nice thing about this LED backlight is that it does have a reversible plug, so it won't matter which way you plug it in. And that's it. Contact us for the Monitech light engine at 519-725-2222 or check us out at www.monitech.com. Bye!